Hey guys, I'm going to quickly be swapping the airbag module on this Volkswagen Mark 6 GTI. First thing you're going to want to do is, as you can see, I don't have a front end on this one right now, but you're going to want to go to your battery right there and loosen the 10 mil and slide your negative post off. Tuck it in. Make sure that that post is not going to touch anything. After that, we're going to come down and over here. You're going to see, since my light's right there, see that little indent right there? You're either going to have a Phillips or Torx in there depending on the last person that removed that panel. So go ahead and remove the Torx or the Phillips that is right there, and then there should be one on the other side. Do each of those. So remove this one on this side and the one that's in the same location on the other side. After you do that, this panel will be up and in here. You just pull down on it and it comes out of the way. You can just grab this out of the way. Same with the other side. Now, let's see if I can get a good angle on this for you. Let's see if I can zoom in. I hope this doesn't make you sick. But see this thing right here? This is your airbag control module clip. What you're gonna need to do, you see that red tab? If you're on the passenger side, push that tab to the driver's side, as I just did. You literally just push on it so it goes towards the driver's side. After you do that, you'll see there's a yellow tab there that you press in so you can release the orange. So you press down on the yellow to flip up the orange. After you do that, flip up the orange all the way and it'll lift that all the way out. So as we do this, then that frees our airbag clip right here. See those bolts right there? I'm going to try and click it there. Focus in, camera. There we go. That bolt right there in the corner of the screen, there's another one. It's right there. Ignore this blue wire. These are for an amplifier. But those two right there, you're just going to loosen those two bolts off with a 10 mil. Next thing is on the driver's side. See that black acorn right there? Just under that wiring harness. So you're going to take your 10 mil once again and remove that last bolt, but that's on the driver's side. So the opposite side of the module, there's only one bolt. It's a acorn for me, and all you're going to do is loosen it with your 10 mil, and after we do that, we should be able to pull out the module. Now that we've loosened all the bolts, we've unhitched that latch, we're going to grab that module, we're going to lift up on it, slip it out towards over here, and just work it out around things. And then make sure that clip's done up. We're going to slide. As you work it out, you're going to slide this out. Once you get your airbag module out, if you're going to send it out to get reset, you can always send it out just like this now. And if not, you need to make sure that you match model numbers. If you don't match the model number, the problem is it won't work and you won't be able to program it properly. So make sure you match your model numbers, and after you do so, you can plug it back in and just quickly put this back in. Just the same way you pulled it out, just going through the passenger side, make sure that clip lines up and then locks in, and make sure that you lock in that red clip again by sliding it this time to the passenger side. But again, when you're seating it, just I like to put it in like this and then go in from the driver's side with the clip, set it, and then squish that rocker down and it'll sink it in, and then you can slide that red tab on.